Hello there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where today we're about to embark on a delightful journey into the world of birthdays and baking. Get ready to indulge your senses as we dive into the art of creating a birthday cake that's not just a treat for the taste buds, but a feast for the eyes as well. Here are some creative birthday cake decoration ideas to make your celebration extra special. Classic sprinkles, a timeless option, covering the cake with colorful sprinkles adds a festive touch. Fruit cascade, arrange a variety of fresh fruits like berries, kiwi, and mango slices in an artistic pattern on top of the cake. Floral elegance, use edible flowers like roses, pansies, or violets to create a beautiful, sophisticated look. Drip effect, drizzle melted chocolate, caramel, or colorful icing around the edges of the cake for a trendy drip effect. Candy Wonderland, decorate the cake with an assortment of your favorite candies, chocolates, and treats. Ombre layers, create an ombre effect by using varying shades of frosting to gradually transition from light to dark or vice versa. Themed toppers, use themed cake toppers that reflect the birthday person's interests, such as miniature figurines, characters, or symbols. Geometric patterns, employ geometric shapes like triangles, hexagons, or chevrons using colorful fondant or piped icing. Metallic accents, add a touch of luxury with edible metallic paints or dust for a shimmering effect. Confetti delight, embed edible confetti or create confetti shapes using piped icing for a fun and playful appearance. Texture play, experiment with different textures like ruffles, waves, or rosettes using frosting tips of various shapes and sizes. Marbled magic, create a marbled effect by swirling different colored batters together before baking. Edible art, decorate the cake with edible food colors and brushes to create hand-painted designs or abstract patterns. Name and age, incorporate the birthday person's name and age using fondant cutouts or piped icing. Rustic charm, for a rustic look, lightly frost the cake and add simple, elegant decorations like fresh herbs, berries, or twine. Photo memories, use edible photo printing technology to feature memorable photos on the cake surface. Glamorous glitter, apply edible glitter or edible glitter dust to give the cake a sparkling finish. Mosaic mixture, create a mosaic pattern using colorful candy pieces, like M&Ms or Skittles, arranged in a mosaic style. Tropical vibes, garnish the cake with tropical fruits like pineapple and coconut flakes for a beachy, summer-inspired cake. Minimalist chic, embrace simplicity by using clean lines, solid colors, and understated decorations for an elegant minimalist cake. Remember, the key is to align the decoration with the recipient's preferences and the theme of the celebration. Feel free to combine different ideas and get creative to make a cake that's not only visually appealing, but also a delightful treat for everyone. Having a birthday cake at your loved one's birthday celebration holds deep significance that goes beyond its delicious taste and vibrant decorations. The birthday cake stands as a cherished tradition, embodying the essence of celebration and marking the joyous occasion of someone's birth. It's a symbolic gesture that brings people together, creating a focal point for the festivities. The act of presenting a birthday cake expresses love, care, and thoughtfulness, demonstrating a desire to make the day truly special. Blowing out the candles and making a wish carries a sense of hope and anticipation, while the shared moment of cutting the cake creates enduring memories captured in photographs. The cake represents the passage of time, marking milestones and encapsulating the journey of a person's life. Whether it's a child's innocent delight or an adult's reflection on another year past, the birthday cake unifies generations, cultures, and backgrounds, serving as a reminder of the joy, unity, and appreciation that come with celebrating a loved one's birthday. Before you go, dear viewers, don't forget to show your support by hitting that like button, sharing this video with friends and family, and of course, subscribing to our channel for more exciting content. Your engagement fuels our passion to keep creating, so thank you, and remember, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.